is the beginning is with the 60,000 pieces of orders I have got, and a lot of orders are coming around from the corners, and suddenly things are happening. Suddenly things have started moving.
If you want to get that magic, if you want to excel your orders, then just click on the link below and enter our community. Do you want a big, huge sales order? You want that kind of a success story? Then look and observe and what Nimesh Dalal has to share today. Nimesh Dalal was doing an average order size of about 3,000, 4,000 pieces. He's into specialized garments, customizing it and selling across the world, not just in India. And he got a huge order of 60,000 pieces. So Nimesh, over to you. Congratulations for this.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Siddharth Bhai. Thank you for your TAGR platform. I have achieved my goal today. Since past 1.5 years, I am the member with your TAGR platform, and I had a long-term goal, and which I cut down to short-term goal and broke the amount of the goal, and I have started achieving my goal. I have started getting success. Success is the beginning is with the 60,000 pieces of orders I have got, and a lot of orders are coming around from the corners, and suddenly things are happening. Suddenly things have started moving. Now
Awesome.
I've been doing my rituals right from 5:30 in the morning, being a member of the book reading club, reading the Think and Grow Rich chapter. Each chapter we read for 30 days, and certain chapters they really create magic in the life. Once we read for 30 days, you start getting the results of the, how it's happening, and all things start automatically moving. I experienced this, and it's a miracle. I will call it a miracle. Plus the platform TAGR, we have very good mentors, and they are there to help in the middle of the night. Any questions we have, any doubts we have, they immediately solve our problems, and that is how in the rituals and all we keep on doing throughout the day. That is the reading of the goal 3 times. That is early morning, in the afternoon, and before sleeping at night. And the most important thing I would like to mention here is writing of the affirmation.
Right.
Writing of the affirmations, they work a lot. They work magic, and you get confidence after writing the affirmations, and things start moving. At the end of the day, you realize that because of the affirmation, something has happened, some news has come, some opportunity has started coming. So this is all about the TAGR platform. Thank you to Siddharth Bhai. Thank you so much that this has changed our life. A lot of discipline has come in my life. My family members, my wife, my daughters, they are also helping me a lot, and they realize that what Papa is doing, and definitely there are going to be good results, and the results have already started coming.
Wonderful.
My special thanks to mentors like Mr. Srinivas ji, Mr. Hitendra, then Bharat Bhai, the gem of a person on our platform. Ravi Bhai, everybody has tried to help me and showed me a good path, and tried to correct me if I am wrong anywhere, and it's a fantastic platform what I am there.
Hats off to you. Nimesh, 1.5 years you were there, and I know the struggle because pandemic hit, and business was down, but you never gave up that thing. You never give up,
Absolutely.
So hats off to you, Nimesh bhai. So Nimesh bhai, for the audience, can you introduce yourself? What do you do? Just briefly.
Yeah, I'm Nimesh Dalal. My company Bhumi Exports. I'm about 7 years from BNI platform. We are into customized suits, blazers, jackets. I'm 30 years old with the export industry. At present, we are supplying to large corporates, international schools, management colleges, and we specialize into customized suits and blazers. We do fantastic work in the fitting part and the stitching part of the suits. And after joining this platform, actually I came to know what a goal is and how to lead your life making a good goal. And that is the best of Think and Grow Rich is the goal is everything. Once you make your goal, and once you are behind working on the goal, things start working. Things start working, and definitely you have a good path, and you have a good future, and you know where you're going to land in another 6 months or 1 year. And this is it, and I'm very happy, and things are really working. Magic is happening with me. From small corners, work has started coming in.
Yeah. One of the distinctions which you mentioned that did you make a gold card, Nimesh bhai?
Yeah, this is the gold card. This is the gold card which I have made. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This is the gold card. The garment what we make, and my photo is there, and the goal is there. So I have come down to the monthly goal instead of a long-term goal, and after that the things have started working rapidly.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Before this, 3 times my goal achieved to about 99%, but maybe 1%. That thing, that orders, they were not good for me, or maybe there could be a difficulty in those orders, so that's why it could not be achieved. And still I kept on trying. On your words, as you said, don't give up. Sometimes it takes a longer time to goal get achieved. Yes. But now I'm very happy, and things have really started working in a magic way. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So Nimesh bhai, this is so powerful, that normally when we look at a online program or maybe a platform, I have also done many programs, 2 days, 3 days, 30 days, 60 days, that's when there's an end point. But you kept on coming, 1.5 years, you kept on coming for the Friday mastermind call, you kept on being there in the community, you kept on doing this, you asked for support. I think really hats off to you, Nimesh bhai.
Yeah, it's like every week we are learning something or the other. I am in the spiritual life since past about 5 years, and I've been following a few of the people from Mumbai, transformation coach and all. But this platform is something different. And every week we have something or the other to learn. We have teachable platform where we can go back and listen to all the videos and all, and correct ourselves if we are going wrong somewhere in our rituals, or it is the emotional part which works.
Yeah.
Emotional part, when you think about something, about your goal, you reach your goal throughout the day, you concentrate on your goal, and things will start working. And the biggest part is writing of the affirmations.
Yeah.
When you write something, it exactly goes into your subconscious mind, and things start working.
Right.
So
I think, Nimesh bhai, see, you knew all this stuff and you are a believer in this. So for a person who is actually watching this video, or maybe on YouTube if it's being aired, and they would feel that I can read the book on my own, I can do all this on my own. What is the sense of me being a part of this community? What would you advise them? Why should they be a part of this community?
It's very important to be a member on this platform, to be on the TAGR platform, because every week we have learnings, and reading only the book will not help. There are lots of small things which are to be understood more clearly, which you always explain so nicely, so deeply. And you have the question answer session also. We can ask you any question wherever we are stuck up. We can definitely ask you any question, and you will immediately reply on the Zoom meeting. So attending and being a member of TAGR platform is very important to achieve your goals and the transformation in your life, and getting a perfect discipline in your life. So it's a great platform, I would say.
Great, Nimesh bhai. I think thank you for this insight. So Nimesh bhai, in this pandemic, in this lockdown, you have got this huge order. Now, what is your belief system that now its momentum is there? How would you go forward? What's your momentum now for you now? What's your belief?
I'm going to set up new goals and plan accordingly, because everything has changed after the pandemic. The life has changed, the way of working has changed. So we have to change everything. We have to change ourselves, our business, the way of working. So I'm going to have a new goal, keep on achieving my goals, because I have got a system. I know how it works now exactly, and I'm going to be after that, and try to achieve the maximum.
Yeah, you have got that key now. You got that key.
It's a magic. I would tell it's a magic.
Absolutely.
It's magic.
Great. So I think Nimesh bhai, so for people who would be watching this video, or people who are not a part of the community, and they are thinking whether to join this community or not, what would be your final advice to them?
One should join blindly. It's a fantastic group, fantastic community of 1,500 people all over India. All mentors are very good, and in the middle of the night they are there to help. It's a fantastic thing. Everybody, whoever achieved their goals, they have been giving like anything. In return, they are there to help each and every member to achieve their goals. It's a fantastic thing. That is what is more important. That is what.
Superb. I think Nimish bhai, thank you for this insights. Final words, Nimish bhai, for you before we wrap this interview. Some final words you want to share about yourself, about your life, or to the viewers. Some final thoughts from your end.
Keep your good work. That's what I say, Siddharth bhai. You are doing a fantastic work and helping the entire community, and it's a transformation. One should join TAGR and observe and realize the magic happening, and set your goals. That is the biggest thing in life. You must have a goal where you want to reach, what you want to become. That is most important.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Nimish bhai, for your time. This is Nimish Dalal, 30 years of experience in the business. And he applied these principles. He was there, he stuck to it. 1.5 years, he never gave up. He did all the rituals. He came for the Friday mastermind calls. He decided that no, I am going to achieve the goals, and he cracked it. From an average 3,000 number of pieces of order to a huge hopping 60,000 pieces of order. That's what the success story of Nimish bhai is, and that's the beginning. He's got that magic. He's got the magic. If you want to get that magic, if you want to excel your orders, then just click on the link below and enter our community. We are part of this awesome community. We are there to support you for lifetime. Thank you so much, Nimish bhai, for your time. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, Siddharth bhai. It's a great community, great platform. I would once again say, everyone, please join the community and realize the magic happening in your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nimish bhai. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Maybe if you share Nimish Dalal's success story, somebody will get inspired and their success will happen for sure. Thank you. Thank you, Nimish bhai.
Thank you. Thank you.